Hello, my name's Christopher, and today I'm going to show you how to install IT tools on CasaOS using BigBearCasaOS, third-party app store. So, a little bit about this series. I'm going over home labs, installing things, getting things set up, everything like that. So if you're interested in that, subscribe, comment, like, support the channel, and let's get started. I wanted to let y'all know about the Big Bear community. We just launched a community on community.bigbeartechworld.com. It's based on discourse, so go on there, join it, and say hi. So let's get back to your registered programming. So this is what I'll be installing today. It's a collection of handy online tools for developers with great UX. It's called IT Tools. The functionalities are, it gives you a bunch of tools to pick from. If I go in here, you can see that a crypto, converter, web, images and videos, development, network, math, measurements, text, data, and there's a lot of tools that can help you in the everyday. I get cheat sheet, random port generator, encode, converters, really handy. And then a PDF signature, a checker, and a token generator. So that's what we'll be installing today. So I'm going to start on BigBearCasaOS. There will be a link down in the YouTube description to get to this. And it's a third-party app store for CasaOS. And it's maintained by Big Bear Tech World and the Big Bear community. You'll need this app store URL. And it's got a lot of apps now. And I did do a video on how to install it, but I'm going to go over that in this video as well. So a custom app store is only supported on CasaOS version 0.4.4 or newer. So I'm going to go up here to App Store URL, and I'm going to copy it by clicking here. And then I'm going to go over to my CasaOS and get the App Store installed. So now I'm going to start on my CasaOS. I'm going to go into App Store right here, and then I'm going to go over to Add Source. I'm going to click it, then text input pops out. I'm going to paste in the URL that we copied. So I'm going to add now. Now we have 140 apps. So you can go over here and you'll be able to see a category over here of Big Bear CasaOS. So I'm going to refresh the page. I'm going to go back in the App Store. I'm going to go to categories and then Big Bear CasaOS here. And now this is all the apps in Big Bear CasaOS that you can one-click install. So you can know that they're from Big Bear CasaOS because of the category right here. Even if you're looking in all the apps, you can see that this is a Big Bear CasaOS. So that's how to get Big Bear CasaOS installed on CasaOS. So now I'm going to explain the files. So I'm going to start on Big Bear CasaOS. There will be a link down in the YouTube description to get to this. And I'm going to go into apps. And then I'm going to scroll down to IT Tools right here. And then I'm going to go in the Docker Compose. So the CasaOS app name is Big Bear IT Tools. And then I'm going to set some services. And then the service underneath the service is called App. The container name is going to be called Big Bear IT Tools. The image is set at a Docker Hub because there's no URL before this. And this is the Docker image. And this is the Docker image tag. I'm going to set a restart policy as unless stopped. So that means that if you stop it for any reason, it will not try to restart. But if it fails or any other reason, then it will try to restart. I'm going to set ports. So 8080 on the host. And if this does collide with another port on your host, you can change it to like 8081 or whatever you'd like. So as long as it's in the right range. So on the container is 80. So this maps 8080 to 80 on the container. You do not need to change the containers port. I'm going to set some XCOS information down here. So it's going to explain the port. And then I'm going to set some CasaOS specific configuration down here. So the architectures that the Docker image up here supports is ARM64 and AMD 64. The main is set to app because of the service name up here, app. A description for the App Store, the tagline, the developer's name, the author of the Docker Compose, the icon used for the App Store, a thumbnail, and then the title, the category, so you know what's in BigBearCasaOS, and then port map, so 8080, and that rhymes with the host port up here of 8080. So that's a little bit about the Docker Compose. So I wanted to let you know about the Big Bear Club. You can join it, and it greatly supports this channel, and I very much appreciate it. So if you'd like to join the Big Bear Club, you can go down the YouTube description and go to my Ko-Fi link and join it from there. So let's get back to registered programming. So now I'm going to start on my CasaOS. I'm going to go to App Store, and then I'm going to go into search right here and type IT, and then you see it right here. It's under BigBearCasaOS. So I'm going to go into the app, and then I'm going to install. So what this is doing is it's pulling down the container from the registry, getting it extracted, and getting it up in the back end with Docker Compose. So you can see it's up and running, and you can open it. So now I'm going to go over the stack options. So I'm going to start my CasaOS. I'm going to go up to these vertical dots right here, and then you can open into the web UI. You can set some tips. So if you come down here, you go to the edit button right here, then you type in something like testing, then you press the save button. It'll reload the container in the background and say IT tools is okay now. You can go back into tips. You can see it did save. So you can go into settings right here. You can edit some settings down here, and then you can press the save button once you're done. And then now you can go up to terminal logs. You can go into the container like this, and then you can see the logs right here. Great for debugging. You can export the Docker Compose here. So I'm going to exit out of that. So you can check for updates on the current tag it's on. And then you can uninstall, restart, and power off and on. So now I'm going to show the UI. So I'll start on my CasaOS. I'm going to go up to these vertical dots. So you can open in the web UI right here, open. You can also open it from here. So now you see all your tools that you can access. There's a lot. And you can search the tools up here. So ULID, and then you can go to the tools. You can change from English to French, or and then you can collapse the bar and open it. So these are all the tools too over here. And you can click into one, and then you can use them. So hash text, bcrypt, UUIDs, ULID, and then encrypt and decrypt, and then the passphrase, HMAC, RSA, and password strength. There's a lot of tools, so it's very helpful to have. So I just went over the install on IT tools. I went over everything to get it installed. I tested the UI, everything like that. So if you like this tutorial, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel. And if you have any video suggestions or you need community support, you can go down to the Big Bear community and join our forum. There's a link in the YouTube description. So stay tuned for more.